Hey guys, Jonathan here, and we've just finished wrapping up our Scalextric build and our Grand Prix, which was amazing. And to commemorate it, we got a collectible Knightrider and a DeLorean, because Colin Furze has both these cars. We got him to sign them. Now we can't just chuck these in any old box or foam insert. We had to have something special. So we made this. This is a really cool build. It's a Tyre cut in half. It's epic, and it fits both of these. Let's show you how we made it.
First thing we need is a tyre, and this one comes courtesy of our local garage. It was free, part worn tyre, and it is the perfect size. So all we've got to do is cut it in half. I didn't expect that to be as smoky as that. I don't think cutting a tyre with a grinder is the play. Let's switch over to a saw. And that is the tyre cut in half. That was pretty easy, to be fair, once I had the right tool. Top tip, don't use a grinder. Because it's got reinforced wire in it, I thought the grinder was the shout, but it's smoked up this place like crazy. So recip saw is the way to go. We used a bimetal cutting blade in there. That got through there pretty easy. And then I went back with a grinder and kind of smoothed down all the reinforcing so there's no wires poking out to get you. So all we've got to do now is cut a circle for the back of this. So I've taken the best half of the tyre. It's 554mm diameter, so all I'll have to do now is find a bit of scrap in my pile, hopefully a bit of plywood, that would be ideal. Cut a circle, screw that in there, put some foam in, and we should have a frame. Right, that fits in there snug. Let's get it screwed in. Right, so that is the hard part done. That is the tyre all done and the back is in. All I need to do now is get some foam in here. So I've got a 50mm medium sheet. This is from our website, shadowfoam.com. This will be perfect. I can cut half of this, stick that in there, and that'll do, well, I'll still have half left, so maybe I can make that other tyre. So that's gonna be perfect. If you're looking to do this project, go to shadowfoam.com. You can get a custom size made, obviously tyres come in all shapes and sizes, so you can go to the custom size page, get whatever size foam you need and whatever colour you need, or you can get one of our value packs, which would work. One sheet out of those would work as well. So loads of options at shadowfoam.com. All I'm going to be using is this medium sheet, and then I'm going to be using one of our big craft knives. These come in our pro cutting kits, so we're going to use that to trim this down to size, put it in the tyre, and that will give us a finished fixed frame. And yeah, then we can cut the cars into the foam. So let's get cracking. So there we have it, all done, and it's dead simple. Actually, this is probably one of my favourite projects because it's so flipping cheap. We used a scrap piece of MDF on the back, half a tyre, and there's flipping tyres up and down the country that you can get for free. And we've put a piece of shadow foam in there. We've cut all the way through for the Scalextric cars, just because we want them held in there as snugly as possible. Then we printed off the shadow foam logo on a normal A4 printer, nothing special, sellotaped it onto the foam, and then cut round the letters, peeled it back, and I think what we've got there is a really nice balance. I love that layout. I think it was meant to be, and I'm so happy with it. I think we're going to put a big logo in the other tyre, and this time we won't go for the text logo, we'll go for the shadow foam shield. So let's do that. So there we have it, one standard car tyre turned into two wall displays. And let me know in the comments what you think of this project. I would be surprised if some of our subscribers don't go away and try this. I've seen some of our subscribers' epic projects, power tool walls, cool frames on the wall, French cleat systems, and I think this one is one of my most creative, I reckon, on the channel. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm really pleased with it. I think it looks great. So that's all done. Back to Colin.
So we got Colin to race on the track. He came third, which was amazing. Bronze medal for Colin. He loved the tyre, he signed the cars, and we're gonna give that away. So, dead easy. All you've got to do is make sure you're subscribed. Click the bell icon so you don't miss the future videos. Click the thumbs up and drop us a comment. That is the most important thing. If you haven't dropped a comment, we won't know you've entered. So do all those things and you're gonna be entered to win this build with these two collectible Scalextric cars, both signed by Colin, brand new. What an epic prize, truly unique. There's only one of these because Colin even signed it twice. And if you're wondering why that is, that's because the cameraman Matt wanted the signature on the front.
I'm being really demanding, I'm really sorry.
It's a good job he knows you're lovely, isn't it?
Wait till you come back to the workshop, boy. Oh, just before you go, let's grab this broom.
Sign much.
I better go and help him.
Yeah. We'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.
Come and help you. Cheers, mate. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, get entered in this giveaway, and we'll see you in the next one.
Now, before we go back to Jono cutting the shadow foam, remember to subscribe.
Thanks very much, Colin. We've got loads of new exciting videos coming all the time. You're not going to want to miss them, so stay tuned.